Hi, how's it going everyone? My name is Hank, and in this video I'll be going over how to sign up and use Binance to buy and trade cryptocurrency. Now I'll be talking about the fees involved for trading, why you want to use Binance, and who Binance is most suited for. So first of all, why would you want to use Binance in the first place? Now, Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, with more than $10 billion traded every day. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, they are rated as the top crypto exchange with a score of 9.9. Now, this is ahead of other big major exchanges such as Coinbase, Crypto.com, and FTX. Now, if you're talking about the size of the exchange, there's no other exchange that comes close to the size of Binance. Because of the large trading volume, they have very high liquidity when it comes to people buying and selling on the exchange. Binance operates very much like a traditional stock exchange where you can see the chart of the crypto, you can carry out market buys and limit buys, you can trade on margin and speculate on crypto futures. You can even set up trading strategies to automatically buy and sell crypto at specific prices. To sign up to Binance, you will need a valid form of government ID in order to get verified. Now, I have included a link to sign up to Binance in the description below. You will also need to verify your bank account if you want to use bank deposit to fund your Binance account. Now, this may be necessary because some banks may block your credit card if you want to use credit card to purchase crypto. In order to trade crypto on Binance, first you have to deposit fiat currency into your account. Now, in order to do that, you can first go to Wallets and go to Funding for your account and select Deposit. Here you can choose the currency that you want to deposit. So if I want to deposit fiat currency, and there are many currency that are supported, but it may not be available depending on where you're actually from. Now, unfortunately, they don't support direct deposit of New Zealand dollars. So for example, if I want to deposit US dollars, I can select USD. And then it will give you a recommended transfer method. Now, if you are depositing US dollars, the easiest way is to use bank transfer with Swift code. And to use a bank transfer with Swift code doesn't actually incur a fee. So if we continue with that, when you deposit the US dollars in Binance, it automatically gets converted into BUSD stablecoin. Now you can then trade this USD stablecoin into other cryptocurrencies that you want. After clicking continue, after you enter the amount that you want, Binance will then give you the deposit details for depositing into your Binance account. So just remember to include your reference number when you are making the deposit. Now, there's no fees for making a deposit to Binance, but your bank may charge you an international bank transfer fee. So consult your bank about that. So what are the fees for actually trading on Binance? Now, Binance has one of the lowest fee structures when it comes to trading crypto. Now, it works on a tiered fee system, and the tiers are determined by your monthly trading volume. So in tier 0 means that you are trading less than $1 million US worth of crypto each month, which probably accounts for more than 95% of the retail users. Now, at tier 0, you are charged 0.1% per transaction. As your trading volume increases, you will get charged less fees. Now, you can find all of this information on their fees page. Binance uses their own Binance coin as the native coin for their own Binance blockchain. Now, this is mostly used for paying for fees and funding a new project. Now, if you hold Binance coins in your account, you can get a 25% discount in trading fees. This makes the trading fee 0.075% instead of 0.1%. And your trading fee will be taken out of your Binance coin wallet instead of the crypto that you are trading with. Therefore, before you purchase the crypto that you actually want, it may be worth first buying a small amount of Binance coins to get the discounted fees. You can also purchase crypto with a credit card, but that would have a fee up to 3.5%, which is significantly more than if you first deposit fiat currency before trading. And also some banks tend to block buying cryptocurrency using your credit card. So be sure to check with your bank about that. Now let's go back to the Binance app and see how you actually purchase crypto within the Binance app. Back in the Binance app, if you want to purchase cryptocurrency, you can go to trades at the bottom below and then select spot currency purchase. And then you can specify a limit buy if you want to use a limit buy. You can also change it to market buy if you want to buy at the market price. Now, in this situation, I'm going to use limit buy. So then you can specify the dollar amount that you want to purchase your cryptocurrency at. So in this example, we have Bitcoin to Binance US dollars. So you can specify the limit of the Bitcoin that you want to purchase at. So let's say we'll go for $39,000. Then you can specify the total amount of Binance US dollars that you want to spend. So for example, we can say 100, and then you can click buy to purchase your Bitcoin. Now you can also earn some passive income by putting your crypto into a flexible savings account on Binance or stake your crypto to earn additional interest. So in order to do that, you need to go to Wallet and then select Earn from the top bar. And then you can subscribe to different available accounts, and it'll also show you the yield per annum for staking or putting your crypto into a savings account. For a flexible savings account usually means that you earn less interest, but your cryptos are not locked in for a certain period of time. So for example, I can choose Tether if I want to put my USD Tether into a flexible savings account. If you want to stake your crypto, you can also do that here. So for example, if I pick one crypto that I want to stake, for example, here I have Avalanche. And currently for their lock staking for duration of 30 days, they're giving you around 11.25% yield per annum. Staking locks your crypto in for a certain period of time, but you do get more interest. Now, I won't go into too much detail on this in this particular video, but you can think of a flexible savings account, much like a savings account that you get in your bank. And staking more similar to having a term deposit account on your bank. In addition to those two methods for earning interest, there are many other additional methods on Binance for earning more interest, such as Launch Pool, Ethereum 2.0 staking, Liquid Swap. All of these, I'll try to go over them in the future. The question now is Binance a safe option for you to use? Now, they are the largest crypto exchange in the world, and because they are the biggest, they are more trustworthy than many other smaller exchanges. However, they do face regulatory issues in the US, parts of the EU, and also China. So all I can say is you definitely should not invest what you cannot afford to lose in terms of cryptocurrency. While you may hear of people dumping their life savings into random coin and made millions, those situations are about as rare as winning the actual lottery. So who exactly is Binance suited for? So I would say Binance is suited for both beginners and also advanced users that want to trade cryptocurrency. Now, their interface is quite easy that any beginner can pick up, while having a more advanced trading option if you are a trader yourself. Again, sign up links in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.